Masterminding, novidade.
The life is so much hard, 'cause everything has changed. There's no love, there's no like yesterday. We live like white animals. Friend kills the friend, husband kill a wife, wife kill a husband. Father make love with his daughter. All this does not make sense. I invite your grandfather to teach us how to live, to teach us how you live in your days. 'Cause today we lost in the world. Hey, grandfather, teach us how to live in this world. Hey, grandmother, teach us how to live in this world. Utomegi karata ngofu, imakaswaki swilo swichinchile. Azifanani ni tolo, iyanya kufanani swiharizwa kwati. Ngana ada ya mungana wakwe, anuna ada ya sati wakwe, asati ada ya nuna wayena. Apapayi aranzana ni mwana wakwe, zohlele zozwilo zokala ndondo, nakuvitana wena kokwane. Kasi utayigunzisa kuwanya, kasi utayigunzisa leswi ungahanyisa swona masikweni ya wena. Ekuva hina nyamuhlo ilahlekile vutomi. Hey, grandfather, teach us how to live in this world. Hey, grandmother, teach us how to live in this world. Yeah, grandfather, you have to teach us how to live, 'cause we don't know what happened today. Your friend is the enemy, your wife is your enemy, your husband is your enemy. So we don't know where we go with this. Teach us how to live, grandfather. Hey, grandfather, teach us how to live in this world. Hey, grandmother, teach us how to live in this world. Hey, grandfather, teach us how to live in this world. Hey, grandmother, teach us how to live in this world.
Masterminding, novidade.